Hello! There are numbers that answer the question, how many? The cardinal numbers. 1 school, 1 kool. 2 cars, 2 autot. 3 textbooks, 3 õpikut. However, there are also numbers that answer the question which, in an order, the ordinal numbers. The first school, esimene kool. The second car, teine auto. The third textbook, 3. õpik. Please notice that number 1 without a full stop stands in the first case and with a full stop in the second case. If the number is without a full stop, then it answers the question mitu, how many? And we say 1 car. If the number is followed by a full stop, it answers the question which in an order, and we say the first car. Let's look at some examples. Mitu, how many? Without a full stop, 21. 21 schools, 21 kooli. Mitmes, which, with a full stop, 21. kool, the 21st school. Mitu, how many? Without a full stop, 1 õpik, 1 textbook. Mitmes, which, with a full stop, esimene õpik, the first textbook. Mitu, how many? Without a full stop, 1 auto, 1 car. Mitmes, with a full stop, esimene auto, the first car. Now you just need to learn the ordinal numbers. Esimene, teine, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20, 21, 22, 23, 30, 31. Täna oli meil 17. videotund. Today was our 17th video lesson. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.